oysters.
Yes! Let's go.
What are you doing?
And I just
Have
want
oysters.
crisps. It's killing
have voices.
me.
Got oysters in my backpack.
You want oysters?
Yes.
You want my oysters?
Yep. Oysters.
Okay. Have
Stop
you
jibber
tried to
jabbering
be like a
and make
normal
your way to
person?
me.
She's taking my Pringles.
I couldn't hear anything.
Let them
What?
go.
I don't have any oysters.
Sad.
Salt and
And I
vinegar
just want
and
some.
also some sour.
Killing me.
Prawn cocktail.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
Prawn cocktail Pringles is diabolical.
No, they're good. Texas barbecue. I love
Sour
I
cream.
can't scan
and
the QR code to get into the Alton Towers.
I love this because I'm Mr. Pringles.
Here we go. Wow. Look at me on the edge. Nothing happened.
I think you have to run, and as you get to the edge, you jump.
And while that's cooking, I'm going to make some.
I think I tried to make chicken noodle soup, but I don't think I did.
Yeah,
Amelia?
is that right? What, do I just go on it?
This is great.
That's it. Reset. Next.
Elliot,
Okay.
Ready?
The catapult is somebody's hand.
Huh?
No, wait,
Oh.
that's my hand. Sorry.
Oh my god. You fucking fool. That's like a Joey line from Friends. Oh. Ew.
Oh my
Oh.
god, guys, where is everyone? Where is everyone?
On the
Where
boat.
are you?
Do you like my pajamas?
Oh my goodness, I want to see pajamas.
Ellie, turn around. Ellie, turn around. Do you
How
like
do I
them?
get this fucking thing out of my hand? Where are you?
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
wow.
Are they paisley?
Are they?
I've got weird symbols.
Oh, they look shiny.
Do you like them?
Oh, very much. I think we should all get our pajamas on.
Where are you?
Just above you.
Hold on. Oh, what the hell was that electric noise? What are you doing? What that? Oh, yes. What the hell?
You're way ahead of me now. All right, I'm going to get back in. I'll come with you. This is fun. Hop. Hey. Wish I didn't have my phone out.
Ready?
Top of a hill, staring down.
Don't try and set a set of ass cheeks on fire.
Oh.
You just dropped it!
I just
Oh
dropped
no!
the blade.
Neil, no! Okay.
You gotta go. Woo!
Oh yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes, he's doing it.
Well done! That's good. I'm watching you.
You use the walking
fun.
keys to steer and like go up and down.
Okay.
Perfect.
So,
Well done.
I landed.
Now,
Did you?
I absolutely expect Duncan to be just as good.
And do I
Then
just
you-
run and jump?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. There he goes. There he goes. I'm seeing him. I'm watching. It's happening. They're
Oh my god, what happened to me? I nosedived off the cliff. Did anyone see?
I'm not walking with.
Everybody left me, even though there I
Uh-oh,
was.
story
Yeah.
event happening.
Yeah, well, that's your fault because you ran off. Oh, hi, Sigma.
I'm hungry and thirsty. Oh, well, we'll stop for a quick drinky. How do you put your torch away again? Is it tea?
Hell.
Oh, it's ale.
Is no one collecting this? Is no one collecting this up here?
Ooh. Ooh.
Might be interesting.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. Where's Neil got it? Have you got this, Lol?
I do. Yeah.
It's very nice.
Nothing else in there though, is there? So let's go.
Bed.
Yeah.
Don't
Are you okay?
We're coming in hot.
Actually, where am I supposed to be flying to?
Baff.
Flying to Amelia and Neil.
Yes.
Hey, good luck with that. I'm going to take a moment to consider what were you doing?
Taking a picture of my thumb.
Okay.
Do we want to ask why?
Really?
He's
Will
just
you get it?
standing there.
Need a
Just
wee wee.
Not you, watch it.
Did you just murder Calvin?
This is like going on Space Mountain 17 times. We've set up a zip rope in the cave and we just keep going on it.
Oh, fun.
Just run away.
Can't run. Actually, you could run if you didn't look at the screen. Just press forward.
Ah! No! No, I'm not dealing with that on my own. Oh, you're over there, Kill.
Oh,
It's one of them real big ones. I can't see. Is that me? That was not funny now.
I think there's a mark on. Did you sledge away from the fucking moose?
I'm just trying to get away from
Oh,
this
moose.
camp of the trees.
You done it.
so this
Yay!
Yeah.
still going off. There's this GPS thing.
Huh?
Still hear the GPS beeping.
This
Oh,
is
there we
cool.
go. Got it. GPS locator on his neck.
Yeah, I just came down in a spiral, by the way. That works okay. Or
Oh, I went straight onto my face. Did you see that? Did you see that?
oh.
And like walked.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I seem to have tried to kill us.
Really? What
Oh
about
no! I was. Oh yeah. Is this water drinkable? Oh, I could
shit,
fill up
let's-
my
Yeah, I forgot.
fill
Yeah,
up things.
good idea.
Dad, why are you building Stonehenge?
I'm building Stonehenge. Come to my Stonehenge.
Oh.
Pounds.
Toby, stop asking about building stuff. There's a actual hatch to investigate here, like in Lost.
Oh right. Okay.
Now, why
sorry.
does Virginia have a gun?
We gave
Because
her a
I gave
gun.
her it.
Oh, no way.
Yay.
Oh man.
Got it.
the fuck was that?
Oh, aloe vera. Did Virginia just bring me that? I don't know, but I ate it.
That's the bed finished.
Ellie, do you want to drive?
No.
Right.
Scared.
Come join the Crunchy crew.
We've got a shove.
Yeah, now we can go dig up those graves.
Yes!
Ah!
Oh, my Greg.
Neil says I'm having a poo up here. Oh, what? What
I
happened?
just fell down the hole again.
Ah!
Okay, I saved.
Oh, no, I haven't
I'll bring
saved
you
yet.
one, love.
I know I'm on fire.
Ah! I'm going to wet myself. I'm going to go. One sec. Laps.
On to me!
Neo, some
Yeah,
help
sorry.
would be nice, please.
Yeah, I'm just lighting some Molotovs.
Molotovs aren't helpful right now, though.
Oh, my gun's run out. I hate everyone. I'm diving back.
Guys. No.
Welcome home.
It's awful here.
Okay, Koki, everybody save at the tent.
Oh,
Please.
Hey!
Save it, Toby.
Right, saved it.
I need to stop.
Oh, we're all
and
wearing
get to
matching pajamas. That's nice.
This
Mm,
is so
sorry.
cute.
I need to go to bed.
I know,
Okay.
but we can
That's
always be again.
Yeah.
So how do I take off my pajamas?
You in a world of pure
Imagination.
Oh, just broken a tree with my golf cart. That's clever.
Oh my god!
I am
Oh my
reenacting
God, did I
every
have got
comedy
out?
golf.
Yeah, you shouldn't have got
Oh.
I'm
that.
gonna kill it.
Intriguing. I'll wait for Ellie to spawn here before I get moving with the grooving.
Think about it all night. The turtle shell here.
Oh, you just sliced me. Hate you.
I didn't.
Not you.
Oh. Oh.
My own father.
Betrayed by my own father.
Pretty much.
What's this trophy? Seagull head.
Oh, do I not have any water? I swear to God.
I swear to God, I've got some water.
Oh, I don't. I threw Molotovs.
You have to think smart.
You obviously didn't.
Just hiding from them.
I mean,
Fucking many.
Jesus! Oh my god. This isn't funny. We're gonna have to get rid of our structure. Oh. I love my guitar.
Run about and get that out.
My wow.
Is he dead? I shot him in the balls. Ah.
Skulls!
Girls,
Everybody-
I've got skulls.
Let's see what I've got. Probably nothing, but I'll have a look.
I just
Got
want
2.
springtime.
Now what?
I think you need another one.
Come here, that's amazing.
What's that?
What?
Right, I'm gonna throw a
And I only really know how to get to people sort of as the crow flies.
Okay, so are we going? Yeah.
Sorry, I'm not
No,
running.
that's okay.
Got the funky groove. Boobies.
Oh.
Oh.
Where are we?
Somewhere nice. Think it's somewhere nice. Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Dad, you look
Oh.
terrifying. Oh wow.
Oh,
Oh, you made me miss my show.
beginning of March.
Looking at Amelia's trousers. Looking at my trousers.
Why?
Looking at Amelia's
Oh,
trousers.
looking at
Looking
Neil's
at
trousers as
my
well.
Trousers.
Oh, Neil's armor's so gross. I've got a bony leg, and a bear leg, and a creepy armor leg.
Beleg.
Neil's got the worst mask you've ever seen on.
Oh.
Groovy. Where are the stairs?
Oh, I'll come back.
Oi!
Looking for stairs. Looking for stairs.
Oh my god.
Are they?
Whoa.
Odds.
See what happened to this guy?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it to you.
Oh, I found the stairs, Kath. Hello. I'm sure it'll just be like our
What's
button.
the point of the rope gun then if you can't?
Oh, bye, Kath.
Hey.
Bye.
Oh, I love that. That was great.
Fuck's sake. Fuck it. I'm gonna be so happy when we get. Oh, you went so fast! That was good.
Oh my god. Right. You know what? I'm gonna try the rope gun. I've got nothing else.
Thank you. Yeah, it's for her.
That's great.
Oh,
Oh, she
she looks well
smiled.
silly.
Smiled when you gave her that.
Why is she shaking her bum at me? Oh, she's dancing. She's dancing. Right. Okay. Cool. What's his bum out?
Why does she dance? She's smiling and dancing. She's so weird and scary.
Worth rushing across the map for, but looks like you're quite close. Me moo. Love, are you still in the cave?
No.
Have you? Hard cut to nothing.
It's not allowing me to.
Oh no, it is if you go back a bit.
Is that like really back?
And lift your head
It's not the backpack.
and go back.
My head.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here. Okay. I'm not. I got it. Yeah.
Hi, Timmy.
No, no, half, Toby.
They left. They left.
Okay, thanks.
Can we gather wire, sticks, golf batteries, turtle shell, stones, all of those things to make them go away? What now? Just running around with a ball? It's nice. Where's everybody going?